How you doing, guys? Bryn here from BWS TT. If you're watching this video, I assume it's because you're a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber and YouTube just popped this into your suggested videos and you're watching this, then maybe click on one of my other videos and see what this channel is actually all about. This video really isn't for you. This video is for all of my subscribers. This channel has grown to close to 25,000, which is way bigger than I ever thought it would do. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone, first and foremost. This channel actually started with me just doing a few little how-tos on jobs that I was doing regularly for people that I thought, do you know what, people can actually do this themselves if they've just got, you know, a basic tool set and a little bit of know-how, which is why I started creating content. And then it became useful for, you know, answering people's questions and things like that. You know, and then it was just fun and interesting documenting what I was doing on a daily basis, fixing TTs for people. But long-time viewers of the channel will be aware that that actually stopped for me in January of this year. I closed the business down and I went back into conventional employment. You know, I've got nothing against working on TTs, and I still do that. I just didn't want to do it as a day job anymore. But I still get a lot of queries and a lot of questions, and I still want to help people out, which is why the channel, you know, has still got content on here. I'm still uploading as regularly as I can do, albeit it's not quite as easy for me because I'm not filming jobs that I'm already doing. I'm having to go out of my way to do stuff and find time to fit that in around my day job. So apologies that the content isn't as regular as it once was, but that's just the way things are at the moment. So yeah, like I said, I just want to apologize for that. But like I said, I still get a lot of questions and a lot of queries, and people want to pay for my advice sometimes. They want to reach out and ask specific questions, and I'm happy to do that. But what I figured was I'd revisit something that I talked about on the channel, I think it was about 12 months ago now, which is channel memberships. I thought this would be a great way for me to be able to prioritize who gets a response, because, you know, I don't have time to respond to everyone. And actually, with one of the ways of the membership working, I could actually still respond to one question and loads of people get the information. I'll get onto that in a second. What I've put in place is 3 levels of membership. So the first level of membership is going to just be you get priority replies to comments. So I will see them in a different way. I assume I've yet to see exactly how this works, but YouTube will highlight your comments to me and I can answer. If that's a question, I can answer it. Or I can just reply if you're saying nice things and I can say thank you. What you'll also get is poll options. So I can put up membership polls, and if I've got an option of one thing or another that I could be shooting that weekend, we can see what people want me to film. The next tier is going to include videos for members only. And those members only videos will be information and answering questions that people have asked on the previous video. So if you've got a specific query, you can ask that in the comments, and then next time I do the video, I will be giving more detailed answers. If that means filming bits on the car to help show you what I mean, or pulling up images and whatever I need to do to be able to accurately put my answers across to you and portray what I need to portray so that you can get useful information out of that, that's what I'll be doing. And then the third level of membership is if you're balling, you've got loads of spare money and you just want to help support the channel and help support maybe projects that are a little bit more expensive, maybe me, you know, doing things that I don't need to do or don't, you know, want to do, but you want to see, then yeah, that money can go towards things like that. You know, I'm not interested in doing a carbon clean on a Mark 1 225 because I know it does nothing, but some people want to see the proof of whether it does anything. Some people might want to see, well, how many engine flushes does it take to clean the sump and to clean the rocker cover, and that would be a lot of oil, a lot of engine flushes, a lot of time to do that. I'm not interested in doing that, but if people want to see that and they want to, you know, fund that, then maybe they're the things that we can do. Maybe this could fund project cars, again, cars that I wouldn't want sat around on my driveway, but if you guys want to see it and I can, you know, get funded for the time to do that, then, you know, maybe that'll work. So this is giving the channel the best chance possible for it to grow into something, if that's what you guys want. If you don't want that, I will know, because there'll be no channel membership subscriptions, and it will just keep going the way that it's going, which is absolutely fine with me if that's the way that it goes. You know, I'm not trying to pressure anyone into becoming a member if they don't want to. I'm just trying to outline what would happen if we get enough members on board, if we get enough funding through the channel, things that could happen. Now, like I said, I've been making these videos for a long time now, and I actually really enjoy doing them. It is just balancing that time commitment with my day job. So, you know, I had that issue when I was balancing working on the cars and having a day job, and I chose working on the cars and went full time into that, went full employed, and it was great. And you know what? If memberships skyrocketed, subscriptions skyrocketed, and we had 100,000 subscribers and people are chomping at the bit for me to make loads of content, and I quit my day job and do YouTube full time, I think that is every YouTuber's dream. If the demand was there, I'd be happy to do that. My wife would think I'm crazy, but you know, why not? But honestly, guys, this is just my way of sort of reaching out to you and seeing what you want from the channel. You know, if you want it to grow massively, let's fund it. Let's invest time, and let's get it there. If you're happy with the way that it's ticking over, it's not a problem at all either. Okay. Like I say, massive thank you to everyone that is subscribed. Stay subscribed as a minimum. I notice that sometimes when I put videos on, that, you know, maybe I think the meet at the Tote Cafe lost me 3 subscribers. I don't understand why. Okay, if you like TTs and if you like me fixing TTs, surely you don't mind me walking around looking at TTs. But hey, maybe I'm wrong. But as a minimum, please don't unsubscribe after seeing this video. Keep your subscription on there. You know, you'll still be notified of my videos. You know, a subscribe and a comment is free. A like on a video is free, and it still supports the video, the channel and the videos massively. So yeah, thanks for everything that you've done for me so far. I wouldn't be making these videos if it wasn't for you guys watching them. I really do appreciate it. But like I say, the channel memberships are there. If they're not there right now, they're under review, so they'll be available very shortly. So become a member if you want to. If you don't want to, don't worry about it. Honestly, there's no pressure whatsoever. You're going to notice me mention it in a few videos, you know, in the coming weeks. Videos that I've already filmed. You know, we've got videos on some upgrades on the Mark II TTS. So we've got springs, clutch, wheels. That's going to be exciting, and a few other little bits and bobs. We've got a drive in a Mark I 225 that is actually sort of pushing 450 horsepower and is one of the best setup TTs that I've driven in a long time. That video is coming soon. So yeah, there's some exciting content coming soon. So stay tuned and see what's coming. And like I say, I hope to see some of you in the membership section soon. Thanks for watching.